You can't walk his walk.
And I know that better than anybody.
You can't talk his talk.
My mouth is starting to get wet already.
But you can drive the truck. The Stone Cold Steve Austin specially equipped Chevy Z71 pickup. Because we're giving it away in the WWF Royal Rumble Sweepstakes. To enter, call 1-900-RUMBLE-98. It's $1.99 per call, and there's no purchase or telephone call necessary to enter. Simply handprint your name, address, and telephone number on a standard-sized postcard and send it to the address on your screen. You must be 18 and have a valid driver's license to enter. Deadlines for entries is Monday, January 12th. But don't delay. Call 1-900-RUMBLE-98 and enter now. The call costs $1.99. 20 runners-up will receive a Royal Rumble merchandise gift pack valued at $250. Winners will be selected at random and announced during the Royal Rumble, January 18th on pay-per-view.